Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can reset a blockchain keystore on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on security and privacy. Then scroll down again and tap on Samsung Blockchain Keystore. Next, tap on Reset Blockchain Keystore. Then tap on Reset. Now, before you reset, make sure you have backup your key, your recovery keys or the recovery phrases. Make sure you have written them down. Once this is lost, then all your assets can be lost. So I'm going to put in the PIN. And that's it. So it has now been reset. So if I tap on Samsung Blockchain Keystore, you can see the app is fresh. You need to set up your blockchain keystore again before you can actually use it. Tap on the continue button. This will allow you to link to the previous wallet, or you can create a new one. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.